Welcome back to Barmouth, where you saw me sketching this scene last week. And now what I want to show you is the painting process, just using pretty big brushes really. There's no drawing involved, using my sketch and a photograph that I took on the day. You can see we work really freely, and that's what I'm after here. I'm not after perfection in any sense of the word. The idea is to enjoy getting colour on the paper and remembering the actual time and feeling that when I was there. That's the whole point. You know, we can have photographs to look at exact representations, but as I say in the first video, it was the huge structure on the hillside that seemed to be toppling over, and that's the impression I'm trying to achieve. I only use 3 or 4, I don't know, 5 colours in this whole painting, and that kind of unifies it. I actually say in the tutorial that I could probably stop around about this point and I'd be quite happy with it, you know, around about now actually. But what we do in my videos, I always go to the destruction stage. I take it further and further and further, because I've got a video record of it, and I can see where I could have or should have stopped. That tree looks rather nice there at the moment. So if you'd like to learn how to do this kind of painting from scratch, I show every part of the process. Follow me on Facebook or YouTube, and there's more details, and I'm releasing more and more every day. You can follow the links to my Udemy page. I've been teaching on Udemy now for nearly 5 years. I've got over 15,000 students on there, and a star rating of nearly 4.5, which I can tell you is pretty good for Udemy. It's notoriously hard to keep your ratings up. Okay, we're coming towards the end now. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hopefully I'll see you in one of my tutorials in the near future. All the best, see you soon.